What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
I was sleeping, I woke up, went to the bathroom. I was near the sink and it fell in the sink and there's water inside of it.
That's why it's stuck in the Apple logo?
Oh yeah, because the water inside it and everything.
Don't worry, I got you. Download 3U tools. Connect your USB cable. I'm gonna click exit recovery mode. Alright, let's see. Nope. This one is water damage. You can see it on there and here. Come here, baby girl. See a rusty screwdriver here and there. We are going to transfer his data. We will transfer Face ID to new screen. Screen is fixed, but the phone's still in boot loop. I will try to see what's wrong with the phone. It might have some problem with the mainboard. We'll see. Watch until the end if you want to see how did I fix this. Time to fix back glass. Surgery time. One more time, laser. Cleaning time. Blue time. Front and back is fixed, but phone's still stuck in the boot loop. We're gonna replace the whole charging port. I have to hard reset the iPhone, still didn't work, and I find the problem is the flash that goes all the way under the camera that puts the phone in the boot loop. When you change the flashlight, you have to change the power button as well. It's one flex cable. Your phone is ready, sir. Look at that.
Nah, that's crazy. That's crazy.
You need to know your iCloud information. You have to remember, so you have to put in your iCloud and it's good to go.
All right, let me try.
Here we go. How you like it?
It's brand new, you know. Yeah, just be clean.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look